This video was brought to you by Share. For You key is the easiest tool to use when you have forgotten your password on your iPhone or your iPhone is disabled. With only one click, you're going to be able to save your iPhone without any headaches. Download today for Windows and Mac OS. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pocket back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your apps on any iOS device, including your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this is a very important idea to know, especially if you're a parent and you would like to control your children from being too much on social media or playing too much games, or maybe if you're using a shared device and you would like to prevent your other family members to play your own games to prevent them from losing your progress, which sometimes can lead to arguments. So this feature is only available on iOS 12 since it's part of Screen Time, which was released alongside with iOS 12. Now if you haven't upgraded to iOS 12, then please go ahead. I encourage you to upgrade to iOS 12. It's so much better than iOS 11. And I have my iPhone 6 right here and it runs so much faster than it used to with iOS 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to settings and then scroll down until you find Screen Time. And then go here where it says create a new password for you. And then you need to type the password in order to do this. So in my case, I've already done it, so just going to go back. And then after that, go to app limits, then type the password you have already set, then add limit, and then choose the type of apps that you would like to lock. So in my case, I'm just going to say social networking, games, or if you want, you can say all apps and categories, and also entertainment, because I don't want my children, even though I don't have ones, to use these kind of apps. Just going to say add, and then we're just going to say the time limit. So that means that these apps are going to automatically be locked right after 1 minute of usage per day. And then also you have the option to customize the day. So for example, let's say you allow them to use social media, this kind of stuff on Saturdays and Sundays. So you can change the limit on these days if you want. And after that, you are pretty much done. So if you go back, then you should have this symbol right next to the app name. And if I click on that, it's not going to allow me to go in because I have already exceeded the time limit for today. And if you click on that, then click here, ask one more time, then you have the option to enter the password. Then you have to enter the password in order to go ahead and access the app. And great, so now I show you how you can lock categories of apps. But what about if you want to lock individual apps, so for example only Facebook or Messenger? So again, head back to settings and then Screen Time, and then go to iPhone or iPad or whatever it says on top of there. And then scroll down until you see most used apps. Now, in my case, I use YouTube quite a lot, but also settings, Messenger, and Facebook. But I would like to lock Messenger because I don't want to use Messenger that much per day because it clearly wastes my time sometimes. So just gonna click on Messenger, and then I'm just gonna go to add limit, type my passcode, and I'm just gonna say for 1 minute per day because I don't want to use it a lot and I would like it to lock very quickly. Then click on add. And if I go back to home, and since I already used Messenger for 5 minutes today, I cannot use it for any more. So if I go and open Messenger, then obviously it's going to ask me to put the passcode in order to access it. And then I can say if I want to use for 15 more minutes, an hour, or perhaps use it for the whole day. And also last thing I would like to say is that if you want to lock any other apps, for example, like Twitter, because if you go back to settings, it doesn't show it here, then go ahead and use this app for a specific amount of time in order to show up here. Then you can go back to the same page on settings and select it and then go ahead and add a limit to that. And that is going to do. And now again, if you want to remove the limit on that app, then you have to go back to settings, same page, select that app from here, and then go down, select limits, Messenger in my case, and click on delete limit, and then the limit is going to be removed for this app. And if you go back, you'll be able to use this app with no restrictions. And great, now you're able to lock all your apps and not allow anyone else to use them if they have access to your phone. But what about if you have forgotten your password on your phone? Unfortunately today, forgetting our passcode from our iPhones is very crucial and it can literally prevent you from using your iPhone forever. However, removing the passcode from the iPhone can be a complicated process, especially from people who don't really have the knowledge to do so. So that's why I have a great tool for you guys in order to remove your passcode if you have forgotten it. By using the For You key is going to help you to remove your forgotten password from your iPhone and recover it from being disabled. This tool is going to save you so much headache and also help me out to recover my iPhone since I always forget my password from it. It takes only one intermediate step to get started, and that's only to download the latest iOS firmware available in order to reset the password. Once you're ready, move to Start Unlock and then let the magic begin. This is the easiest utility I have used so far, and it helped me out a lot by recovering my iPhones. What are you waiting for? Turn on For You key is available for Windows and macOS. Download today and start using your iPhone again. And that brings me to the end of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button if you like this video. Drop a comment. Let me know what kind of Apple device you're holding right now on your hands. And also, why are you planning to lock your apps on that Apple device? Share this video to your friends if you found this helpful. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it if you haven't done so, in order to stay tuned on our channel and be the first to watch our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, I want to see you in my next video.